to this annual general meeting and Thanksgiving Day of our junior school, which is the youngest baby in our schools. I am humbled to stand before you today to share with you our reflection on the milestone that we have been able to achieve together. Thank God in a special way for guiding us through a 3 years journey of implementing this competency-based education. For those who remember, we began this journey back then in 2017. From early years, we climbed to lower primary, upper primary. Then we joined grade 7 to start off junior school. By then we were doing 14 learning areas. Then they were revised downwards to 9 learning areas through rationalized curriculum design that was advised by the then special task force that was put in place by the president.
To reflect the heat onto the silver, which heats whatever's inside.
About this is schedule. Not our school. So that's the